Need to add or remove a seller account from Brand Registry? Here's the quickest way to do it in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so you want to go into brandregistry.amazon.com, and then you should already have a brand enrolled. Now you want to connect it to your seller account, your friend's seller account, or you want to remove them. So there's pretty much two things you need to do this 100% right. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click Manage Selling Accounts, right? So this button right here, Access to Selling Benefits, you're going to click this button all the way to the right, and then it's going to take you here. Also, you can just do /BRG/selling-benefits and connect a selling account. Now, once you're here, pretty much you can enroll them as a brand representative or a reseller. So I recommend the brand representative unless they are a reseller, and then you're going to put their selling account, right? Other account, and you're going to put their merchant token. Now you're going to have to ask them for their merchant token. It's in their Amazon Seller Central account. To access this, all they have to do is go into sellercentral.amazon.com. They're going to go to settings. They're going to go to account info. Once they're here, they're going to go to business information, and then they're going to say your merchant token. It's going to be a token. They're going to give it to you, and then you're going to be good to go to give them that access on Amazon. So you're going to put that in here, other account, give them the merchant token, invitation marketplace, it's going to be the Amazon USA, what brand name you want to give them access to, and then click this check button and click Connect Selling Account. After you do that, it should be automatic, or within 5 minutes, they now will become a brand representative of your brand, and that's going to be huge for them to make updates and have access to all of the brand registry benefits like A+ content and things like that. So number 2 is going to be clicking on the user permissions. So we already did access to selling benefits right here. And the next thing is just to triple check they also have access to the user permissions, so they can come into brand registry and access things like report a violation, and then also accessing the brand registry team. So this is extra, and I do recommend giving them this as well, or giving yourself this if you're doing it for your own account. So all you're going to do is pretty much go into and click the user permissions button, which is right here. And once you go right here, it's going to say user permissions, invite a user to your brand. So you're going to click that fun button, and then you're going to be able to invite them to your brand. So you're going to put their email in. This should be the same seller email that they log in, the admin email that they log into Seller Central, their name, their language, the brand you want to give them access to, and the marketplace. And then you can give them administrator, rights owner, or if you just want them to report fakes, you can do registered agent, but I recommend rights owner or administrator, or you can do both. And then select the reason, right? It's a service provider, or user is the brand trademark owner, other reason, and then you have to explain the reason if you do. So let's see. User employee of the brand, and then send them an invitation. Now, after all of this, make sure that they check the email, because you have to put in their email. Make sure they check that, they accept everything, they log in, and then they're going to have full brand access. They're going to have access to brand registry to report and contact brand registry, and their seller account is going to have full brand registry access, so they can enroll in buying, create listings, update the images, and also contact Amazon if updates don't go through. They're now going to be considered one of the brand owners, the brand representatives, and they're going to be able to have Amazon update the listings for them. A lot of benefits for this. Make sure you do it right, and make sure you do it, and all of the seller accounts that you want or resellers that you have are going to have brand registry access under your trademark. And that's it for today's video. Comment below on something that you've done recently that helped you increase your sales on Amazon. And of course, if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And if you need any help with Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is what we specialize in, and there's a link in our description where you can contact us and schedule a call right away, or you can just leave your email on our website. Our number one service is where we'll come in, we'll do a whole audit of your account, make sure your sales are increasing, your competitors are gone or mitigated, especially if they're violating Amazon's policies, and most importantly, make sure your sales are always up and trending up for the rest of your time on Amazon. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.